for my son, yeah, that one. It ain't right. I spent weeks filling beaks, hearing daddy, daddy, daddy. I'm depressed round the nest day and night. When I said to go, I had to let her. It couldn't suit her better. No joy in motherhood, an endless round of chores that have to be done. But when you think you've seen the back out there, you found your natural found you're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood if there is something I just can't see. Cause up with all of this, and on top was you put some with me.
Daddy, Beaky's got wet wet in the nest. Daddy, Beaky's climbing up the sunset. He's got planted for meal.
Let's all calm down. Wait to go back to the nest. It's time for bed. Let's go. Up.
But Daddy!
Go!
Help! Please, help me, I'm caught! Help!
Who are you?
A swan, please. You think you'll entangle me.
I'll try. What's your name?
Penny. Mind your face, I can look. Don't touch your boat, get finished. Typical me, my first migration, what happens?
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather is setting in. I'm leaving space for the summer.
Leaving?
You're a funny one. All these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everybody calls me ugly.
Don't listen to them. You should stay your boyfriend. You should have heard some of the things called me before the moment.
How can anyone call you names?
Well, like I say, it's just a stage real boyfriend. My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing around that people leave behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me when we went out swimming. You could just lift your arm. There we go.
Thank you. Thanks so much. I thought I was going to be left behind and this is no place to spend the winter. Where's your thought?
Oh, I'm lost. I haven't seen them in ages.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? You've been lost in the spring? Oh, you poor thing. You can't stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
Oh, I'll be all right.
Penny? Come with me. The others won't mind and then next spring we'll return together. And I'll help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come, oh, we'll never catch up.
I'd love to, Penny, but I can't fly. At least not well enough to go with you.
Oh, I'll see you back with you. By your pace.
Sounds wonderful, but I best stay here in Carol looking for my mother. She can't be far now. Maybe when you come back in the spring we can meet up again.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be alright?
I'll be fine.
Penny, come along, darling. We'll be late. I have to go now, but I'll never forget you. Thank you again. See you later.
Honk! Honk. She won't remember me. I bet she doesn't even come back. Why would she want anything to do with me?
Whoops, pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Kind of runs in the
What
family.
do you want? Well, go on. Might as well get it off your chest and tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if I hop off of Comic-Con again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see. I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down.
Oh, by the people.
Such a waste.
Even if you did help me escape, you'd only eat me yourself anyway.
True.
Well, you're not gonna get me. Oh no, he's coming back.
Now listen, Ducky, I have what I think you will agree is a very tempting proposition, which just might satisfy us both.
Well, I don't like oranges if they're part of the plan.
Listen, if you come with me, I will take you back to the dockyard, and you will see your mother one last time. Quick, make up your mind.
Okay, you're on. Help me get out of this thing.
And don't try any funny business. Remember, at least this way, you get to see your mother again.
Good on the cream of me cornflakes! She's a scat!
Sun is cold and watery, the ponds are deeply frozen. Our hopeless times for traveling, it's not what we'd have chosen.
Are you sure you know we're way back to the dockyard? We seem to be going around in circles.
Shut up! It's the snow, it makes everything look the same.
The skies are made of never-seen, a blizzard was certain, and even God gets his last, but not your back is
I can't stay past where you left me. Keep going. You must be almost
Honey? Oh no, my baby. No, not like this. Not after all this time. You poor little thing. What was it all for? What was the point of your little life? It can't end like this. It can't. Honey's dead. My baby duckling is dead. It's all my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring. I should have gone after him straight away. They had us both as sisters to rear. I couldn't just leave them. And now I'm too late. If only I could believe that. I can't teach you the ways of the swans.
You taught me to swim.
From what I remember, that nearly finished me off. Totally surprising, really. Fancy me teaching a swan to swim.
I want you to come.
I can't come with you. My place is back on the lake with your father and Listen. They say birds with feathers should flock together. And your place is with the swans now. And I think somebody's rather keen you should go instead.
But I only just found you, and I'm not sure I want to leave you so soon.
Of course you do. Now, go on before I get all careful and unnecessary. But make sure you come back and visit us all in the duckyard. Look after him for me, won't you? I'm sure you will. Well, go on then. What are we waiting for? Let's see you fly. Take a run at it. Go on, that's the way. He was different from the rest. Of course he can't belong with me. I know I should have guessed. He wasn't mine to mother. He wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away. Another dream, another mother's tear.
You didn't think I was going to leave you so soon, did you?
But you must. You must think about yourself now. It's your life and you belong with the swans.
I don't care whose egg I came out of. You raised me and you're my mother.
Well,
it takes all sorts to make a world. You said yourself I was different, so I've decided to come back to be the first swans on the lake.
I'm so proud of you both. Come on, what are we waiting for? I cannot wait to see Drake's reaction. I think he might just lay an egg. Well, if that might turn into, does not bear thinking about.
Wait a minute, I just have some unfinished business.
Swanee! How I love you, how I love you! I quit! I give up! I surrender! Take me to the wedding for a killing!
I'd like to introduce you to someone. This is Penny.
Hello.
Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking, I'm getting rather long in the bill, and I feel the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are the finest bird in the lake, as I know I was in my day. And let it be known that from this day forth, the red band shall be known as a signet ring.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Look here, look at us, see them difference. What if we ever
time. She's just stood in very last minute for somebody else who was doing that part, so she's done a really, really